9 nights. Darkness is associated with night. What is this darkness? It is the darkness of ignorance, says Swami. Navratri means 9 nights. What does the 9 signify? There are 9 grahas. The human body has 9 openings. If a deep inquiry is made, it will be found that mankind is dependent on the planets. Although astrologers speak about 9, in reality there are only 2 planets that matters. They are Raga, attachment, and Dvesha, hatred. Swami says, the 6 enemies of man are eating into his vitals, embedded in his own inner consciousness. They are the demons to be killed. They are lust, kama, anger, krodha, greed, lobha, attachment, moha, pride, mada, and malice, matsarya. They reduce man to the level of a demon. They have to be overpowered and transmuted by the supreme alchemy of the divine urge. Then the 9 Nava nights of struggle, the Navaratri, will become Nava, a new type of night devoted to the purification of mind and illumination of the soul. The Navaratri is a festival to celebrate the victory of good over the evil. The embodiment of divine power, Parashakti, in its various manifestations, Sattvic as Mahasaraswati, Rajasic as Mahalakshmi, Tamasic as Mahakali, was able to overcome the forces of vice, wickedness, and egoism during the 9-night struggle. And finally, on Vijayadashmi, Dashara, the 10th day, is a victory. The valedictory worship is done. The purpose of Navaratri celebration is to enable man to get rid of 9 types of darkness which have been taking hold of him. Again, speaking on the significance of Devi Navaratri, Swami says that person is truly a human being who is sanctified by the unity of thought, word, and deed. The heart can be compared to goddess of wealth Lakshmi. The words can be compared to goddess of knowledge Saraswati. The power of doing deeds can be compared to goddess Durga. Hence it is said, Manas Ekam, Vachas Ekam, Karman Ekam, Atmanam. Unity in thought, word, and deed makes a man great. The Devi Navaratri signified that man can sanctify his life by bringing about the unity of thought, word, and deed and live as human being by getting rid of ignorance. On the 8th day of Navaratri, the goddess is worshipped in the form of Mahagauri. Mahagauri, as the name itself signifies, purity, extreme purity, purity in thoughts, words, and actions. After killing the demons in the form of Kala Ratri, Parvati was left with a dark skin. Mahadev, however, wanting to tease her, started calling her Kali. The mother was very particular that she regain her fair skin. She started doing tapas towards Brahma and prayed that she get back her fair skin. Brahma advised her to take a bath in the Manasarovar river in the Himalayas. She did as she was told by Brahma. She did have a bath in the Manasarovar, and the dark skin separated from her, and this particular dark skin formed the form of a female, Kaushiki, another avatar of the goddess, who again slays the Shumba Nishumbha demons, as history says. So Parvati, after gaining her color, wanted to marry Lord Shiva. On the advice of Rishi Narada, she again starts doing a very, very deep penance, foregoing all her comforts, even her food, sleep. And she actually puts a brave front towards heat, cold, rain, storms. And Shiva, being pleased with her penance, appears in front of her and grants her boon and is now willing to marry her. He also asks her to take a bath in the Ganges that flows from his lock, and Ma does so. Mahagauri actually has a trident and a damaru in her hands. This again is an embodiment of Lord Shiva. The Mata is an embodiment of kindness and morality. She rides on a white bull. And she's also worshipped as a Kanya, a girl 9 years old. Probably that is one of the reasons why we celebrate the Kanya Puja also during Navaratri. This also is a significance of purity. This story has great significance with our life. We are embodiments of purity, divinity, and love, as our Swami always says. But due to our karmic accounts accumulated over many janmas and due to the various vices, our Atma has also lost its purity, and due to various sins committed, Atma is now black in color. Now, to regain our original purity and the color, as the mother did, we must seek the abode of the Lord. This can be done in the form of Namasmarana or Nama Sankirtana and follow the Trikarna Shuddhi, foregoing all our bad natures and become Mata Gauri. Swami, in many of his speeches, has made it very clear that recognizing one's mother as a very embodiment of all divine forces, one must show reverence to her and treat her with love. This is the true message that the Navaratri, the 9-night festival, gives us. The Supreme Shakti manifests herself in the form of Durga, Lakshmi, and Saraswati. Durga grants to us energy, physical, mental, and spiritual. Lakshmi bestows on us wealth of many kinds, not just money, but intellectual wealth, the wealth of character and others. Even health is a kind of wealth. She grants untold riches to us. And Saraswati bestows on us intelligence, the capacity for intellectual inquiry, and the power of discrimination. The Navaratri festival is celebrated in order to proclaim to the world the power of the goddesses. One's own mother is a combination of all these divine beings. She provides us energy, wealth, and intelligence. She constantly desires our advancement in life. So she represents all the three goddesses that we worship during the Navaratri festival. If the Pandavas were able to become so dear to Krishna and make their lives worthy by serving him, it was not on account of their own merit or austerities. It was Mother Kunti Devi's love for them that brought to them such a great fortune. Even when they had to live in a forest or in the house of wax, she always stayed with them and prayed for their welfare. The Pandavas also reciprocated her love, and that accounts for their final victory. Lakshmana likewise was able to dwell in the forest with his brother Rama, serving him ceaselessly only because of his mother Sumitra's blessings. She told her son that Ayodhya without Rama was like a forest, and that the forest in which Rama lived would be a veritable Ayodhya to him. It was on account of the hearty blessings of his mother that Lakshmana was able to while away 14 years in the forest even without food or sleep. There is no need to propitiate Durga, Lakshmi, and Saraswati for energy, material prosperity, or worldly knowledge. If we love and adore the Mother, we shall be showing our love and devotion to all goddesses. One's mother is greater than heaven itself. Sri Rama himself declared that one's mother and motherland are greater than even heaven. The Navaratri festival teaches this profound truth. One must remember that reverence to one's own mother is one's paramount duty. If one's mother is unhappy, all the expenditure one incurs and all the worship one offers in the name of Durga, Lakshmi, and Saraswati in the Navaratri will yield no fruit. It is the mother that holds the child with her hand and teaches it how to walk. It is the mother that feeds the child and teaches it how to eat. It is again the mother that teaches the child how to utter meaningful sounds and speak. Thus, the mother is one's foremost teacher. Vimana observed that a son who does not care for his parents is no better than the worms that are born and die in a ant hill. We should deem our parents as Ishvara and Parvati and serve them wholeheartedly. If we cannot please them, how can we hope to please God? Consider the story of Lava and Kusha. Sita gave birth to them in the hermitage of sage Valmiki. They were taught various branches of knowledge by him. Sita also was teaching them many lessons and imparting to them many skills. What happened when Sri Rama himself came to fight with them? Lava and Kusha remembered their mother with great reverence and aimed an arrow at him. Rama fell into a swoon when the arrow struck him. Such is the power of one's mother's blessings.
ಮಾಣಿಕ್ಯ ವೀಣಾಂಬುಬಲಾಲಯಂತೆ ಮದಲಸಾಂ ಮಂಜುಲವಾಗ್ವಿಲಾಸಾಂ ಮಹೇಂದ್ರ ನೀಲಜ್ಯುತಿ ಕೋಮಲಾಂಗೀಂ ಮಾತಂಗ ಕನ್ಯಾ ಮನಸ ಸ್ಮರಾಮಿ. चतुर्भुजे चंद्रकलावतंसे कुशोन्नते कुङ्कुमरागशोणे पुण्ड्रेषु पाशाङ्कुशपुष्पबाणहस्ते नमस्ते जगदेह मातः. माता मरकतश्यामा मातंगी मदशालिनी कुर्यात् कटाक्षं कल्याणी कदम्बवनवासिनी. जय मातङ्कतनये जय नीलोद्बलज्युते जय सङ्गीतरसिके जय सङ्गीतरसिके जय लीला सुखप्रिये. ये जय जननी सुधा समुद्रांत हृद्यन्मणिद्वीट संभ्रूट बिल्वाट विमध्य कल्पद्रुम कल्पकादंब कांतारवास प्रिये कृत्तिवास प्रिये सर्वलोकप्रिये. सादरारब्ध संगीत संभावना संभ्रमालोलनी भद्रगा भद्र सूडीसना तत्रिके सामत्पुत्रिके. शेखरीभूत सीतां सुरेखा मयूकावलीनद्ध सुस्निग्धनीलालकश्रेणि शृङ्गरिते लोकसम्भविते. किं नसिते त्वभुश्यामलं कोमलं चन्द्रचूडान्वितं त्याय सन्ध्यायतः तस्य लीला सरोवारिधिः तस्य केळीवनं नन्दनं तस्य भद्रासनं भूतलं तस्य कीर्देवता किङ्करी तस्य साञ्चगरी श्री स्वयं. सर्वतीर्थात्मिके सर्वमन्त्रात्मिके सर्वतन्त्रात्मिके सर्वयन्त्रात्मिके सर्वशक्त्यात्मिके सर्वतत्त्वात्मिके सर्वयोगात्मिके सर्वनादात्मिके सर्ववर्णात्मिके सर्वविद्यात्मिके सर्वशक्त्यात्मिके सर्वचक्रात्मिके सर्वविश्वात्मिके सर्वये. हे जगन्मातृके पाहि मां पाहि मां पाहि मां देवी तुभ्यं नमो देवी तुभ्यं नमो देवी तुभ्यं नमः.
राग पुष्पलतिका आदिताಳ पंचम. ಶಾರದೆಯೇ ಕರಗಳ ಜೋಡಿಸಿ ಭರದಿಂ ಹರುಷದಿ ಬೇಡುವೆವು. ಶಾರದೆಯೇ ಕರಗಳ ಜೋಡಿಸಿ ಭರದಿಂ ಹರುಷದಿ ಬೇಡುವೆವು. सरसिज भवनुते सारस नेत्रे करुणदि काहुदु कोमल गात्रे. सरसिज भवनुते सारस नेत्रे करुणदि काहुदु कोमल गात्रे. परम मंगल ಚರಿತೆ ಭರದಿಂ ಹರುಷದಿ ಬೇಡುವೆವು ಭರದಿಂ ಹರುಷದಿ ಬೇಡುವೆವು ಶಾರದೆಯೇ ಕರಗಳ ಜೋಡಿಸಿ ಭರದಿಂ ಹರುಷದಿ ಬೇಡುವೆವು ಭರದಿಂ ಹರುಷದಿ ಬೇಡುವೆವು ಬಾಲ ಬಾಲೆಯರ ಬಾಲ ಭಾಷೆಯನ್ನು ಆಲಿಸಿ ಪೊರೆವುದು ಮೀನ ಲೋಚನೆ ಬಾಲ ಬಾಲೆಯರ ಬಾಲ ಭಾಷೆಯನ್ನು ಆಲಿಸಿ ಪೊರೆವುದು ಮೀನಲೋಚನೆ ಕಲುಷ ದೂರ ಶ್ರೀ ಕಾಮಿತದಾಯಕಿ ಭರದಿಂ ಹರುಷದಿ ಬೇಡುವೆವು ಶಾರದೆಯೇ ಕರಗಳ ಜೋಡಿಸಿ ಭರದಿಂ ಹರುಷದಿ ಬೇಡುವೆವು ಭರದಿಂ ಹರುಷದಿ ಬೇಡುವೆವು ಭರದಿಂ ಹರುಷದಿ ಬೇಡುವೆವು
विद्यादायिनी भगवती विद्यादायिनी भगवती नमो 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 साई नारायणी नमो 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 साई नारायणी विद्यादायिनी भगवती चिन्मय रूपिणी नादस्वरूपिणी चिन्मय रूपिणी नादस्वरूपिणी नमो 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 साई नारायणी नमो 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 साई नारायणी विद्यादायिनी भगवती नमो 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 साई नारायणी विद्यादायिनी भगवती चिन्मय रूपिणी नादस्वरूपिणी नमो 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 साई नारायणी नमो 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 साई